Well, I was going to do a nice live stream of getting this set up and running tonight and just let it run for like a half hour with seeing who would join the chat and talk. And I come to find out YouTube never allows anybody with a channel under 1,000 subscribers to mobily stream anymore. So I'm no longer allowed to stream a live startup or anything similar. I have to use a computer with a webcam, which I cannot get outside or use unless I get my laptop working for it, which wouldn't work very well. So this is as good as it gets for now until I can figure out a good way to use my laptop for it. Otherwise, I'm not going to be doing any mobile streaming until I get over 1,000 subscribers now, thanks to YouTube. So I guess I'll just finish this off with a little bit more clips of this running, and that's pretty much all this video is about. YouTube should not be cutting little people like us off this badly. And that's pretty much it. Bye-bye.